Welcome back to the channel. I've got an open parking spot and a stack of cash. And on this episode, you're gonna find out how I got it. Welcome back everybody to another episode of Definitely Not Mechanics. On this episode, we're gonna be cleaning out the Trooper, the Isuzu. The goal is really just to clean it up. I originally had somebody that was going to buy it from me that needed a car, but they reconsidered due to their living situation. I don't know what's going on there, but it's for sale again. So I'm going to give it a little spritz and wash and make it look decent enough and repost it and hopefully try to sell this thing before I actually have to work on it and make it run decent and have a title. Trying to make a little bit of fast cash, you know, I'm not trying to do all that. So let's give it a once over here. I hit this with a pressure washer a little bit. You can see the grime where the bug screen was there. We need to go through and definitely take all this stuff off and figure out maybe how to fix that window. I've got the door panel in the back. We've also got to clean this thing out. Honestly, kind of looks like a couple of people have lived in this thing for a little while. So I'm gonna get this camera set up somewhere in a creative positioning, and then I'm gonna start on the inside and just pull all that shit out of here and figure out what is actually going in the trash. Okay, this is that door panel I was talking about. Got the seats folded up. I'm just trying to get all of the crap out of here. I don't really plan on vacuuming it right now because I don't want to tear up my vacuum. I'd rather save that stuff for a place I put some quarters in. Why is it that every time I clean out a car, I find a 10mm? I'll leave that one back there for good luck. Well, it's definitely clean back here now, which is super awesome. And one thing that I love about the Trooper is the little tiny door. That's so great. Oh God. One thing I hate about the Trooper, this just feels like something that would smash your fingers. Oh boy, it is starting to get a little dark out here. Oh shit! Careful. Yeah, dude, that thing looks like it'll sell for sure. I gotta wait till tomorrow to take some pictures during the day. And yeah, we'll post her up. Is this getting sold today? I have no idea, but somebody's showing up right now and they're supposed to buy it.
How much? You?
All right. Take it, Joe. What a waste of time. The dude showed up, looked at it, opened it, looked inside and go, no, I'll pass on it. What the fuck? What did you expect? This thing's beautiful. Why would you pass on it? Goodbye, motherfucker. Sick. So we just sold the Trooper, and that's a little bit of money in our pockets for doing, you know, other things. And I'm pretty excited about that. So now we can actually put a little bit more money into buying inventory for merch for shows, buying a better merch setup as far as a booth and a tent and stuff like that for shows, and also maybe some stuff for this guy. I don't know, we'll see. Want to thank you guys for watching this episode of Definitely Not Mechanics. If you're new to the channel, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Click those notifications so you guys can see when we upload again. We also have some new merch. If you guys haven't already noticed, this stuff is super clean. It was all hand designed in-house by myself. And they are all available on our merch store, along with the shirt that I'm wearing right now, as well as the hat that I'm wearing right now. We've got hats, beanies, shirts, koozies. The new koozies are tight. You can see the bottom. These are super sick. I've opted for the premium materials on everything. We've upgraded our merch. We've upgraded our merch store. We're gonna be at Tuned Originals September 11th. And selling this Trooper has helped us, you know, kind of get the money to make that experience better for our customers, our fans, and as well as ourselves. The last show that we were at, our tent was kind of flopping around and flying through, so we upgraded our tent. We didn't have enough merch, so we ordered more merch. We printed more stickers. We got more signage to make us look more legit, and I think we're gonna do a video of that as well, and it's gonna be super fun. If you guys are in the DFW area, come out on September 11th to Sneaky Pete's in Louisville for Tuned Originals. Registration's already completely booked up. There's no more slots, it's completely filled. But spectators are free, so you can definitely come out, see some cars, hang out with us, meet us, buy some merch, or, you know, maybe be in the video. Who knows? But until the next one, thanks for watching, guys.